Hello, welcome to the course Money Making Strategies for ChatGPT, the ultimate guide. This is a course that is going to teach you how to learn and make money on ChatGPT. It doesn't matter whether you have the skills already or not. It's going to teach you how to learn skills very fast. And once you are able to take everything serious, the next day after this course, you are probably going to be making your first dollar or your first sale. And we'll be learning skills like writing, how to write books, scripts, blogs, copywriting, and other things. We will learn how to do transcription using AI, translations, publishing, editing, self-publishing, and others. We have freelance and Upworks, Fiverr, and WhatsApp. How to do freelancing on this, and how to create content on YouTube, vlogs, blogs, and even podcasts. My name is Joseph Samuel Bill, and I'm going to take you through this course. I'm a public speaker, graphic designer, author, and a data analyst. With the help of ChatGPT, I've been able to publish two books so far online, and they are available for purchase. You can search them out. Just search Joseph Salmobile, Monetize Your Hobby, and you are going to find them on the web. So kindly check them out there. They are good materials that I've put there. And I'm going to teach you all these methods practically, and at the end of it, I'm going to be adding methods on how to monetize it, where to sell it, and how to start cashing out. So if you're ready for this journey, if you're ready for this learning, then hook on, let's take off.